Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook rice deliciously. Soft, fluffy, well-seasoned, and perfect every single time. A lot of people think cooking rice is simple, but somehow it still comes out soggy, hard, sticky, or tasteless. So in this video, I'll show you every small detail that makes a big difference. Whether you're a beginner, a student, or someone who just wants better rice, this video is for you. So relax, watch till the end, and let's cook together.
Before we start cooking, let's quickly go over the ingredients. You'll need rice, any type, long grain, short grain, or local rice, clean water, salt, and a little oil or butter, optional but recommended. And for utensils, a pot with a lid, a bowl, a spoon or fork, and a measuring cup. Nothing complicated. Simple ingredients, great results.
First, let's talk about the rice itself. Any rice can taste good if it's cooked properly. But today, I'm using long grain rice because it's light, fluffy, and very popular. If you're using local rice, make sure you pick out stones and dirt properly. Clean rice is the foundation of good taste. I'm measuring 1 cup of rice, which is enough for about 2 people. If you're cooking for more people, just increase the quantity, but always remember the ratio, 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. This ratio is very important. Now, let's wash the rice properly. Pour the rice into a bowl and add water. Use your hand to gently swirl the rice around. You'll notice the water turning cloudy. That's excess starch. Pour out the water and repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Do not scrub the rice aggressively. Be gentle. Washing rice properly helps prevent it from becoming sticky and soggy.
Step 4. Adding water. Transfer the washed rice into a clean pot. Now add water using the 1:2 ratio. For 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. Make sure the water is clean and fresh. This step determines how soft or hard your rice will be. Step 5. Seasoning for flavor. Now let's make this rice delicious. Add a pinch of salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of oil or butter. The oil or butter prevents sticking, adds shine, and improves flavor. You can also add a bay leaf, a small piece of onion, or a garlic clove. These are optional, but they add aroma. Step 6. Boiling the rice. Place the pot on medium heat and leave it uncovered. Allow the rice to boil naturally. Do not stir too much. Stirring breaks the grains. Let it boil until most of the water has reduced and you can see holes forming on the surface of the rice. Step 7. Simmering. Once the water is almost gone, reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot tightly with a lid. This allows the rice to steam and cook evenly. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Do not open the pot frequently. Let the steam do its job. Step 8. Resting the rice. After 10 to 15 minutes, turn off the heat. Leave the rice covered for another 5 minutes. This resting period allows the moisture to distribute evenly. Skipping this step can ruin your rice. Step 9. Fluffing the rice. Now open the pot. Use a fork or spoon to gently fluff the rice. Do not mash it. Just lift and separate the grains. Look at that. Soft, fluffy, and perfectly cooked rice. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me quickly share common mistakes people make. Using too much water, not washing the rice, stirring too often, cooking on high heat throughout, and opening the pot too frequently.
Avoid these mistakes and your rice will always come out perfect. And that's how you cook rice deliciously, step by step. You can serve this rice with stew, sauce, vegetables, chicken, fish, anything you like. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple cooking tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.